Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to remove upstanding hairs, how to delete or erase strays, flyaway hairs, something like that. Alright guys, let's go. First open a new design in Canva and yes, upload your photo where you want to remove the strays. For example, this woman here. At first we are going to delete the background. Let's use the background remover here. You can also use the free version under apps and type in BG remover. You will find some options to remove it for free. And yes, as you can see here, if I zoom it down, you see a lot of strays, yeah. We want to remove this. All we need to do is click on the picture, edit, and then find magic eraser. Click here, and then all you need to do is zoom and go around your picture.
You came into my life just like another season, not for long.
Alright guys, all you need to do is click on erase. As you can see, the strays are all away now, and yes, you can also reset the tool so you can have back the normal status, yeah. But if you want to remove some strays, you can just use the magic eraser in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you next time.